Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Fiverr for writers and copywriters and how you can start offering your writing services to clients all over the world. If you're a freelance writer, copywriter, or just getting started with online writing gigs, this video will give you the tips and insights you need to succeed. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more freelancing tips and online career advice. Let's start with how Fiverr works for writers. Fiverr is a platform where freelancers create gigs, which are predefined services that clients can purchase instantly. As a writer or copywriter, you can offer services like blog writing, article writing, SEO content, website copy, email copy, product descriptions, or even creative storytelling. Fiverr allows you to showcase your writing portfolio, set your own pricing and packages, and deliver work all through the platform. This makes it easy to connect with clients without spending hours applying to jobs individually. Fiverr is especially great for writers because it gives you access to a global client base. People from all over the world are looking for content and copywriting services every day. You can start with small gigs, build up your ratings and reviews, and expand your offerings as you gain experience. Offering different packages like basic, standard, and premium allows clients to choose the service that fits their needs and budget, which can also help you increase your earnings. Standing out as a writer on Fiverr is key. Make your gig titles clear and specific, highlight your writing skills and experience in the description, and provide samples whenever possible. Prompt communication with clients and delivering high-quality work will earn you positive reviews, which are crucial for increasing visibility and attracting higher-paying clients. Over time, your reputation on Fiverr can help you secure more consistent and higher-value projects. So, should you use Fiverr as a writer or copywriter? Absolutely. Fiverr is perfect for beginners who want to start earning quickly, as well as for experienced writers looking to expand their client base globally. It's a flexible platform that allows you to grow your freelance writing career while managing your own schedule and pricing. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe for more freelancing tips and writing career advice, and share it with someone who wants to start their writing journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.